17 years we've paved our way. Steel and fire we work, we play. From blueprints born to engines roar. Vietnam's heart at the factory's core. From north to south our banners fly. In every spot our dreams reply. Machines we build with hands and soul. To lift the nation is our goal. And happy birthday Rotec, bold and free. Strong as the crest, deep as the sea. 17 years and standing tall. Made in Vietnam, we give it all. Together we forge, together we stand. With every beat of this proud land. Rotec Vietnam, we shout your name. For future's fire, industry's flame. From humble hands to global pride, we push the limits, never hydraulic force, precision, mind, solution, sharp for all mankind. Clients, trust and partners cheer for every challenge we draw near. Our passion flows in every gear, 17 years and still no fear. Raise your voice, raise your glass for every breakthrough we let pass. We are the dream, the code, the steel. We are Rotec, proud and real. Feel but hearts are proud and real. Make happy birthday, make happy birthday. Rotec, moving gold and free. Strong as the crest, deep as the sea. 17 years and standing tall. Made in Vietnam, we give it all. Together we forge, together we stand. With every beat of this proud land. Rotec Vietnam, we light the flame. A legacy etched in Vietnam's name. For happy birthday Rotec, bold and free. Strong as the press, deep as the sea. 17 years and standing tall. Made in Vietnam, we give it all. Together we forge, together we forge. Together we forge, together we stand. With every beat of Nam, we shout your name. For future's fire, industry's flame. Make happy birthday Rotec, here we go. 17 years, let the engine flow. Built by heart and powered by team. We chase the future, live the dream. Together we forge, together we stand. With every beat of this proud land. Rotec Vietnam, we shout your name. For future's fire and industry's flame.